Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies. And we're going to be showing you our new sparkle glitter.
Right after this. And we're back. So today we're going to be working with the sparkle glitter from Siser. It does come in a few fun colors, so let's get started.
Okay, we cut this on our 24-inch graph pack. And we cut all 3 layers, so I'm going to go ahead and weed it now. Okay, this is very easy to weed. We got the first layer done.
Another benefit of this is if you are familiar with the Siser glitter, this is very similar. It is, again, slightly thinner. It has a silver finish, so silver sparkles in between the layers, and it comes in a few different colors. So that's kind of fun.
Second layer.
And your application settings are the same as glitter, as well as layering. We would still recommend layering, usually up to 3 times for durability, and trying to stick to the fabric as well. So we're gonna go over that too here.
All right, we are ready to go. So we are going to press this on one of our masks, and we'll use a foam pillow and just kind of tuck it within the mask. And then we'll wrap this around the back just to protect this little plastic clasp. All right, we are at 305 degrees, and we'll do the first layer. And we're just gonna do the first layer for a couple of seconds, just enough to adhere it. And this is a hot peel. All right, and then our second layer. And again, just a few seconds. And finally, we're gonna do our final layer here. And this final layer, we are gonna go the full 15 seconds. And we are at about a medium pressure. And there we go.
So now you have one fun personalized design using the Siser Sparkle Vinyl. So again, it does come in a few fun colors. It has a silver finish to it and the sparkle, a very smooth finish as well. So thank you for watching our video tutorial and we will see you next time.